Hello, and thanks for joining our demo today on our sales-driven OCR plugin for NetSuite. Our solution captures electronic documents sent via customer purchase orders and processes them as either quotes or sales orders. Our solution is built directly into NetSuite, allowing for a tight integration to your system. It integrates with various channels such as an email inbox, manual uploads, or online forms. Our solution leverages some of the most advanced AI models for leading OCR extraction and handles even the most complex documents. As we'll see in our demo, transactions are easily managed by your order desk in an intuitive transaction inbox. Transactions are viewed side by side with the original PDF. Rule sets are configured for customer-specific use cases or to apply business-specific logic. The architecture of the solution is carefully thought out and primarily leverages the NetSuite workflow engine. This ensures that everything remains friendly to your administrators. The OCR workflow starts by classifying documents to your customers and rule sets. From there, documents are analyzed, data is extracted, and processed. We'll start the demo by opening our email order inbox. We can see that we just received an order from Willie's. We can also see that as soon as we receive an email, the email is tagged as OCR received. This is an optional integration to your email provider, which provides transparency to your order desk as to the OCR status of the email. Let's now open the email and review the order that was just sent. Here we can see the customer purchase order. At the top, we can see common attributes such as purchase order number, transaction date, and due date, payment terms, shipping address, the vendor email, the customer email, and, in the footer, we have the billing address details. Let's go ahead and walk through configuring the extraction for this document. Let's navigate to Rule Sets. Rule sets dictate how documents are extracted. Under the OCR Field Sets tab, we can specify our fields. Next, we'll navigate to the OCR response, which contains our extracted data from the processed PDF. In the OCR Result tab, we can review our extracted data. On the left-hand side, we have the fields, along with their field contents. Here we have both the body and line items that were extracted via our rule set specifications. From a classification perspective, the OCR correctly classified the customer. For items were correctly classified as well, as denoted by the mapped internal ID of the item. For the purposes of this demo, let's go ahead and process the transaction manually. Here we can see that the transaction generated. Let's review the transaction through the transaction inbox on the home dashboard. The OCR transaction inbox is where the order desk will manage incoming OCR orders. We can see in this portlet, on the far right, a helper link called Click Me. Clicking on this link will open a friendly side-by-side view of both the PDF document and transaction. Let's now review the field mapping between the OCR extraction and the transaction. As mentioned, the customer was correctly classified. The transaction date was set, as was the purchase order number. For items, the item was mapped, as was the quantity. For pricing, we see that the customer price level took effect. If a price level is not available, then the unit price of the PDF is used. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this demo. Feel free to share your comments or reach out to us via our website, smartes.solutions, and enjoy the rest of your day.